Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today what we are doing is how to earn money watching YouTube videos, answering surveys, and what downloading app. So if you want to know about this site that pays you, so do not forget to subscribe, like for more videos, and on your notification button. So we are going to the site right now to know how to earn more monies on it. So the name of this site is called Grabpoint. So this Grabpoint pays you just so this is the what Grabpoint menu now. So you have to watch videos and so on and so forth, and they pay you into your PayPal account. So you need to verify your email. If you don't verify your email, you will not be able to redeem your money to your PayPal and so on and so forth of redeeming. So if you press watch videos, surveys, and offer, so let's go to what home dashboard. So it's loading the survey now. So this is the survey here. So when you answer this survey, you have to win what? That's for 5 minutes survey. You have to win 100 points. 100 points. So when you answer this survey, 17 minutes survey, you are earning 96 962 points, and so on and so forth in earning this point. So this one here, you have to what? When you click here, sign up. If you sign up, you are going to earn. If you sign up in this side, they are giving you what? 0 point. Okay, they are giving you 0.10 cent dollar when you sign up. That's what one 105 coin. So this one is what 14 coin is what 0.01 cents is 14 coin. If you sign up in this site also, when you click here, get the app and use it for a few minutes, that's what 0.01 you are earning. When you click this one too, open the app and play for you play and what reach the level. This one is what 0.10 cents in dollar. So that's what 100 coin. So in this app here, when you have what 1000 coin, you can withdraw your money because the minimum withdraw is 2000 coin. The minimum payout is 2000 coin. So you can also what get up to 3000 coin to 4000 coin in a day. And that 2000 coin is what $2. You press what cash out your money here. So if you want to use Rombos, anyone, but I prefer to use PayPal because PayPal is the lowest minimum withdrawal there. So when you use PayPal, 2000 coin is $2. So 4000 coin is $4. And in a day you can earn up to 50,000 coin in a day. So 50,000 coin is that much. Go to $50. Wow, that's massive money. So I'll keep giving you more trick for it for earning more money on this account. So I can also what get free crypto reward. If you click here, you're getting free crypto reward on it again in this site also. And what watch videos. If you click here, so they say what videos. If you come to this place here, 5 points for 3 video with ads. So if you go to this site here and watch 3 videos, it's 5 points for 1 minute. So you come to this, if it's this one you want to choose. If it was 7 points if you watch 3 videos. So if you watch 3 videos, I earn 7 points. The more you watch the video, the more points you earn. So that's all about this site. Thanks for watching.